Okay, first up is I joint all the boards, and this gives a nice smooth straight edge, and then when you put the boards together for the glue up, there's little to no gaps. If you don't have a jointer, some people can do this in a table saw. I picked this up on the Home Depot website. It's a V-Work. It's pretty cheap. I think it was like probably 150 bucks, which is perfect with jobs like this. I have used this on pine 2x4s, making table legs, and then on the 2x6s using tabletops. So it's a good little jointer. It works out pretty well. So down the road, when I get going at this, I do plan to buy a really good jointer, a bigger one. But this works for right now. Next up is the glue up. Put a good amount on all the edges of these, make sure it gets a good adhesive on it. So just roll on the glue first, and then once I have them all done, I go across it with a brush, and then I put them all together. Hey, okay, they've gone through the jointer, table saw, glue up's done, so now let them set in clamps for at least a couple of hours, and then once they get out of there, I'm going to run them through the planer. So far it's just waiting for it to dry. Hey, all right, I'm going to get them out of clamps. Okay, out of clamps, been sitting there for a while. There's going to be 2 boards right here. This be my coasters, and they're going to get at least 1 or 2 boards out of this one. So next, planer.